The 2025 Chevrolet Zora is not just another performance car. It's a statement, a culmination of everything Chevrolet has learned about speed, technology, and precision engineering. Named after Zora Arkus Duntov, the man often called the father of the Corvette. The Zora takes everything people love about American performance and dials it up to an entirely new level. It's the car that blurs the line between street machine and hypercar, and it's been one of the most anticipated releases of the decade. From the moment you first see it, the Zora demands attention. It's low, wide, and aggressively sculpted, but it's not all about looks. Every vent, every curve, and every angle serves a purpose. Aerodynamics play a massive role in the Zora's design, with active front splitters, rear diffusers, and a dynamic rear wing that adjusts on the fly to optimize downforce and balance. Chevy didn't just want to build something fast, they wanted to build something that felt surgically precise at any speed. Underneath the carbon fiber body panels is a beast of a powertrain. The Zora is powered by a hybrid system pairing a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 with an electric motor driving the front wheels. Combined, the setup produces over 1,000 horsepower, making the Zora the most powerful production Chevrolet ever made. It rockets from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds, putting it in the same conversation as some of the fastest cars in the world. And thanks to its electric assist, the Zora delivers instant torque, making it brutally quick off the line. The chassis is a work of art on its own. Utilizing a carbon fiber monocoque paired with a next-generation magnetic ride suspension, the Zora handles like it's glued to the pavement. Whether you're slicing through corners on a racetrack or carving through mountain roads, the car feels composed, balanced, and ferociously fast. An advanced torque vectoring system manages power distribution between all four wheels, giving the driver confidence to push harder with every turn. Inside, the Zora blends luxury and race-inspired design beautifully. The cockpit wraps around the driver with high-end materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather. Everything is placed with purpose. The digital cluster and head-up display are fully customizable, letting drivers prioritize performance metrics like lap times, G-forces, and power delivery. The steering wheel is flat-topped and bottomed, loaded with quick controls, allowing drivers to adjust settings without taking their hands off the wheel. It feels futuristic, yet grounded in pure driving passion. Chevrolet made sure that the Zora wasn't just about raw numbers. They focused on creating an emotional experience. The V8 roars behind the driver's seat with a ferocity that can send chills down your spine. The electric motor hums quietly when you're creeping through traffic, but when both power sources combine, the result is a symphony of speed that feels like nothing else on the road. It's an experience meant to stir the soul every time you press the accelerator. Despite all its exotic features, Chevrolet stayed true to their roots by making the Zora relatively attainable compared to European hypercars. Starting at around $200,000, it's certainly not cheap, but for the performance it delivers, it's an absolute game-changer. Chevy wanted to prove that world-beating performance doesn't have to come with $1 million price tag. And with the Zora, they've done exactly that. The 2025 Chevrolet Zora is more than just a supercar. It's a tribute to the dreamers, engineers, and racers who pushed boundaries for decades. It carries the legacy of Zora Arkus Duntov into the future with brutal power, stunning design, and razor-sharp performance. It's a car built not just to chase records, but to create legends. Every time the engine fires up, every time the tires claw for grip, the Zora reminds the world that Chevrolet is still here, still innovating, and still capable of building cars that make your heart race.